Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to resize your video or images here in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro and we have our video right here. So from here, let's first know the size of this clip right here. So to know that, you need to right click on your clip, go into properties, and then from here you can see the image size right here. So this is the size of the video right here. So this is what you would need to change your sequence size in order for you to have the perfect size right here, the perfect fit for your video or your image. So once you have known that, then you can now change your frame size by going into sequence. But as you can see, it is grayed out. So you would need to not select anything right here. Make sure you're not selecting anything. Go into sequence again, and then it's now clickable. So click on sequence settings, and from here you can change the frame size right here. So in my case, I have a video that is 1920 by 1080, and also my sequence settings is 1920 by 1080. That is why in my video right here, I don't have any block bars right there. But if I change this into something else, like maybe 50, as you can see, there would be a difference in the frame size of the sequence and the video. So when I click OK, right there, changes to preview file format. As you can see, we don't see any black bars because the sequence frame size is smaller, but we can see when we do this right here, we can see that there is a little bit of space right here that we can still zoom in, and so that we can get a perfect fit right there, right there. Or maybe we can make the difference even more obvious so that you can see right there. So this would be a bigger frame size for the sequence settings, and the video right here would be smaller. So when I do it right like this, as you can see, we have excessive black bars right there. And yeah, you can't fit it right there unless you stretch it like this one right there. But as you can see, when you stretch it, it would also compromise the size. But you can also scale it by clicking here on uniform the scale so that you can scale each side right there. When you go click on motion, and then you can do it like this. But remember, if you do it like this, it would compromise your video quality. So I don't really recommend this unless you really have to. And yeah, I recommend that you have your sequence settings to be equal right here in the video settings right there, in the properties right here. So yeah, that is basically how you can change your frame size or resize your video and your images right here on Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.